Hi, this video is to show you how to add a masonry knee wall to an AI instant design photo of a home. So first go ahead and sign into your account and make sure the image is saved. Once this is saved to your account, you should get access to the editing feature here on the left. If you click on that, it should give you a set of new buttons. I'm going to go ahead and actually, before I do that, I'm going to click on the area. So I want to add the masonry knee wall right here. So I'm going to click on the area and I'm going to use the remove from surface option. I'm going to click on that. I'm going to use the rectangle tool and I'm just going to approximately remove the area of the siding, this spot. Okay, I'm going to click this area. As you can see now, and I'm going to hit done. As you can see now, the area of siding is missing from here, but it still exists here. Now I'm going to follow a set of different steps. I'm going to select the wall tool, rectangle again. Again, I'm going to get this little plus sign. I'm going to click where I want to create the box. And now you'll see there's this box. And to close the box, you just have to click on where you want to close off the box, and then you should get this. Each point on the box is adjustable, so if you want to make the line straighter or anything, you can just adjust the little pointers as well. Then hit done, save and continue. And now you can click on this area and select the stone that you want to visualize. This is kind of what it looks like. Thank you so much. Bye.